Who's a mint chocolate fan? These are amazing. Kit Kat. Mint and dark chocolate. I also bought these protein bars the other day. This one's pumpkin pie. I'm a huge pumpkin pie fan, so I can't wait. But the other one I bought is birthday cake. I love those birthday cake protein bars. And you know who it makes me think of? I never really tried protein bars or gave a shit about them until I ran across Shannan Watts, the murder case. And she sold Thrive. And she was always talking about the protein bars from her company. I don't know. I was just so inspired by her in so many ways. So many little things throughout studying that case I picked up on from her and became knowledgeable about or inspired by. You know, it's just weird how people make a difference in this world, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that she and her children had to lose their lives. And now the whole world knows them. Whereas before that, she was just a woman who was married and had children and a career and lived her life and, yes, promoted herself and her products very heavily on Facebook. And she was always on Facebook doing things with her children, and she loved to film videos and talk about things. And, you know, not only did she talk about good things, she talked about her insecurities and weaknesses a lot too. But I don't know, as time went on throughout studying that case, you know, not only did I focus on the bad things, the psychological things that were going wrong, and how terrible the whole thing was, but I will have to say, you know, there were many good things that I learned as well. And people don't realize how they make a difference in this life, the light that they give off, you know. And I don't know if she ever realized that about herself before she was so viciously murdered by her crummy husband. Anyway, they just make me think of her. She was a pretty neat person. The vision boards, too. I'd never heard of that before her. But she did a video or two about vision boards. I think she even had a vision board party. Like, she was just the neatest person. And so many people, I deeply feel this, got her so wrong. Because there were actually people that defended the murdering husband. And that, to this day, still call Shannan a narcissist. And that she pushed him to it. And, I mean, can you believe that shit? Victim shaming. Like, literally blaming this murdered pregnant woman and her baby daughters. I don't give a damn what that woman did. I don't care if she took a big shit right on the damn carpet. I don't care. There is no fucking excuse in the world for what that man did to her and those babies. None. None. Because I know goddamn well that she loved that guy and that she wasn't cruel to him. You don't have to do much to offend a covert narcissist. They just walk around all day long offended in the back of their head. They're not telling you that. Of course not. They're wearing the dutiful husband mask. Waiting for instruction. Deer in the headlights. Emotionally remote. Comes off as shy and charming. Don't let that shit fool you. No. It's emotionally remote and detached as fuck. But yeah, that's kind of how Chris Watts was, you know. In most of her videos, you would see his energy just kind of standing around, you know, awaiting her instruction. Because a covert narcissist wants you to tell them what to do. Because half the time, they don't know what the fuck to do. They don't really have an identity. It's very deep-rooted. They want you to tell them what to do. But at the same time, they turn around and feel controlled. And are eaten up with inferiority complexes. Bad feelings inside because they can't be the man they want to be. Blaming you. He blamed her. He wanted her to tell him what to do. If he didn't, his ass would have been off doing something else. He had free will. My God. That's what I don't... It's just... Ooh, covert narcissists just drive you insane. It's like, damn, don't you have a mind? Do you have a spine? Don't you have a self in there? If you feel controlled and you don't want to be in here doing something with me... If he didn't want to be in there filming the fucking videos with her, all he had to say was, I don't want to do this, man. I'm not doing it today. And walk the hell off. Really? You're scared of your wife. You're scared of her reaction. She's too bossy.